Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset the oil life light on your Honda Civic after an oil change, follow these step-by-step instructions to clear the maintenance reminder. Step 1. Turn on your Honda Civic without starting the engine. Press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal, or turn the key to the on position. Step 2. Locate the information display button on your steering wheel. This button is usually marked with an I or info label and is used to navigate through the display screens. Step 3. Press the display button repeatedly until you see the oil life percentage displayed on the dashboard screen. This screen shows the remaining oil life as a percentage. Step 4. Press and hold the Enter or SEL button on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds. The display will begin to blink or show a reset prompt. Step 5. Continue holding the button until the oil life percentage resets to 100%. Some models may require you to press the button again to confirm the reset. Step 6. Release the button once the display shows 100% oil life. The maintenance reminder light should now be cleared from your dashboard. Step 7. Turn off the ignition and wait a few seconds before starting your vehicle normally to ensure the reset is saved in the system. Step 8. Verify the reset was successful by checking that the maintenance light is no longer illuminated on your dashboard during normal driving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.